Welcome to Stunning Actor Sites 101. I'm your instructor, Alex Barlow, and I'll be here every step of the way to guide you through your journey in creating an amazing website. Before you begin, let's take a quick tour of the online class so I can show you around. One of my big goals with this course was to create a course that was very easy to follow and also very user-friendly. So the first thing you'll notice when you come into the course is the lessons up here. This allows you to easily navigate and get to whatever lesson you need to. Lessons are broken up. I've tried to keep them very short. I think the longest lesson is maybe 15-20 minutes, but the majority of lessons are in between 3 and 8 minutes long. So for example, we have lesson 1 here. First thing you'll notice is the video here on the side. This is the video lesson. There'll be a brief description on the right, and then there usually will be a resources section. This is if there are any extra links you need to click, or if there are design files you need to download. Anything you need to complete the lesson will be here in the resources. Now, most lessons only have one video. However, the first few sections, or the first few lessons, do have a couple different videos. So for example, you see this one has 2 videos. I did this to make it easier to digest. So for example, this one is the part 1, which is setting up your hosting, and this is part 2, which is installing your theme. Just make sure when you're in the lesson to check to see if it has 1 video or 2 videos so that you don't miss out on anything. Also, another way you can get to the other lessons is I have these arrows down here. You can get to the previous lesson or the next lesson. So when you finish, you can just click these. Or if you would like, you can click up here on the menu. To get the best quality out of the videos, come over here to the settings gear and change it to 720p or 1080p HD. The last thing I want to say is that if you do have a question, I will try my best to provide support and to help. The best way I think to do this is to click the YouTube link here and actually just leave a comment on the video, and I'll do my best to answer it. Or other people who are also taking the class may also answer it. This way, if we have all the questions out, if someone has a similar question, they can look at the comments and hopefully get their answer as well. This concludes our brief tour of the lessons. And before we begin, I just want to show you a few more things you can expect in the next video before you get started.